One quick tip before you buy 4 keys button Keycap Fidget Keychain Keyboard Key Toy Keyboard Clicker Toy Keyboard Cube Toy for adult gifts to relief pastime. The details matter more than the headline price. The main advantage is getting useful features without overspending. If you're comparing listings, look for clear photos and specs, not just marketing words. If shipping matters, check estimated delivery and shipping method before you commit. Sometimes the best deal is hidden in the options. Compare variants and check the coupon area. To get the best value, compare variants, check coupons, then verify with recent reviews. If the listing has lots of reviews, focus on the newest ones and the photo reviews. You'll find the link in the description to explore variants and pricing. So if 4 keys button Keycap Fidget Keychain Keyboard Key Toy Keyboard Clicker Toy Keyboard Cube Toy for adult gifts to relief pastime is on your list, take a second to pick the right option and verify the details. If the specs line up with your use case, this looks like a smart buy.